Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry, and I'm here to ask you a question today. But first, we're gonna loosen these up and get these out for a minute. I've adjusted that blade guide. We're good over there. $875. $875. Okay. That one still feels good, as does that one. I had one of you subscribers ask about these, and I have no idea. My blade guides are starting to wear low. I adjust them often, and I don't show it that often. Where are you guys getting your blade guides? The ceramics or not ceramics, non-ceramic blade guides? I've read on forums some guys use actually hardwood, so maybe some oak blocks. But the subscriber who just reached out to me said, and I haven't verified this, that Frontier wants $35 a piece. They send them $70 for each side, so a total of $140 because you need 4 of them. I think that's a lot of money for these. Now, I found an item called cool blocks on the internet, and I just got to find some 875 thousandths cool blocks, and I think that will do it. They use cool blocks on bandsaws, and probably what these are. So I'm going to look for some of them. I'll let you know if I find any. If any of you have found another source for these other than through Norwood, because I think that's just too expensive for 4 little blocks. You know, I suppose since technically it's not even supposed to rub on it, you could, besides wood, you could probably use a tool steel, I would think, because you're supposed to be a few thousandths away from the blade. Now, I just used a sheet with some laminating on it, and it was 5 thousandths thick. I measured it before I put it in there, so I got a 5 thousandths gap top and bottom. Blade's pretty good. I need to get through 2 logs here, and we'll see how it goes. So let me know where you're getting your cool blocks or your blade guide, ceramics or non-ceramics from, or what are you using. So if you have an idea, let me know. Thanks, guys. I'll see you out here at the mill next time.